What's good, y'all? APX trading stream, man. Um, the market been rallying. The market has been rallying, so that's been amazing. Um, um, Nvidia and AMD are going to sell chips to Saudi Arabia. Not bad, not bad. Um, dog. There we go. Yeah, but good morning, Bree. Okay, is it Brett? Cause I don't like when people miss say my name. Bernie or Brene? Bernie or Bree? Is Bree just easier? Bree? Come on, man. You spelled it exactly how your name is. You gotta put, like when they put the parentheses, like when somebody spell their name out, Bree. Okay, we gonna say Bree. But man, shout out to Bree. Shout out to the Apex team, man. Shout out to everybody at Apex, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing, man. Like from just man, just just working, bro. Just working. Brene. Okay. There. Okay. I got you. I got you. I got you. Mm. Give me 1 second, Charlie. Wait till we have our Apex call, because I know the market been running up, but it's definitely some more opportunities there for us for sure. Um, so we have our Apex call, man. I'm definitely gonna go over a few companies that I think um will come that I know we can get some amazing returns in. But um yeah, man, the market is running up. So I'm looking at Tesla's up a lot. It's at 343. So despite missing expectations, I told y'all the stock has never moved off of like how many cars delivered. It's never really moved off of that. It's a cyclical asset. It's a cyclical asset. So cyclical means that basically the asset is going to perform based on the overall economy. However the overall economy or the outlook of the world is, that's how the asset is going to perform. Um, and I mean, we can see Tesla probably get back to 400, man, 400. But Nvidia is at 133, 97. So what? Come on, dog, man. I'm not. Wait, this one company. I ain't even said nothing about this company yet, but and I'm not. Cause I know I heard Glenda. I heard Glenda in my head. I heard Glenda in my head. Stock price and big punishment. But um nah, man. My account is up 1% today, so you know that's amazing. That's good. I'm back. Well, I was never negative, but I'm actually back. I'm actually higher, higher. Yeah. So, but Yeah, man. Um, if I just you know, have I used Tesla before? I have not. I have not. Let me see. Let me see what that's looking like. TSLL. Mm. This was created in 2022. This is 2x shares. So um I have not. Let's see. I mean, I like it though. I like it. My thing is like with the cost thing, it's all the same, man. AMD announces new $6 billion share repurchase, up 6% in pre-market. Man, no. I have small accounts, so I was thinking, yeah, nothing. It's nothing wrong with it. The only thing is, so just know, okay. If you buy, let's say, so Tesla's with 350. So let's say you buy $350 worth of that asset. I mean, to that's equivalent to you buying you buying multiple shares of that company versus owning Tesla. It's really just the dollar amount that you put into it. Really, that's because I get that a lot. But my biggest thing, do what works for you. Do what works for you. If you're more comfortable, because at the end of the day, a lot of it is just really psychological. But yeah, just do whatever works for you. Yeah, I'm not gonna be the person that be like, "Nah, just nah, just literally do whatever works for you. It's most of it is psychological. So if that psychologically is better and it's gonna give you more confidence, but literally, I would rather you do that. I would rather you do that. If everybody talking about how the market was down, the S&P is up 42% over the past 2 years. So that's not down to me. That's not down to me. But man, let's look at these charts, man. Let's look at the chart. Let's see, man. Um, um, come on, dog. Oh yeah. There we go. But if I pull up this chart, um, so if I look at Mondelez, I exited this position. Um, and this is part of trading, right? So you're never gonna be 100%. Your job is to take the setup and the probability when it comes. So the setup came, one, two, fake out here, third touch, take the trade here. We just broke to the downside, retesting, and now we're pushing back down. So, but man, that's part of it, right? And if you look at NEM, this is looking to maybe break below. This is what a gold type of asset. So yeah, especially with the market pushing up, this is more of a risk off asset. So a lot more capital is going to go into riskier, quote unquote, tech companies instead of a company like this. We might, but if I was looking to, I do like T-Mobile still, especially you got the 200, that moving average here coinciding with this level. So that looks good. And then I like a short position on Amgen if it ever comes back up to this level. Um, yeah, if we come back up to this level here, I definitely like it to go short because healthcare is still struggling, man. So it would definitely be beneficial to go short for sure. But um, yeah, man. Um, SH. Oh boy. CEO, CEO of United Healthcare resigned for personal reasons. If if I knew that I couldn't turn that company around, I mean, wouldn't it be smart for me to resign if there was more trouble ahead and I really felt like I could not. So that's their second CEO in a while. That's their second CEO in a while. Um, obviously the first CEO, unfortunately, he passed away. You never want to see anything like that happen, but um, this is they're now on the third CEO in I think 2 years. The third CEO in 2 years. So um man. Man, what Nike doing? What is Nike doing? I want to see. Oh man, Nike, Nike, Nike. I want to see Nike come back. I do. Not even gonna lie to you. As much as I talk about the company, I want to see them bounce back, man. I do want to see them bounce back. Now, would I be buying the company? No, but um, I mean, I definitely want them to bounce back for sure, for sure. So, um, hmm. Let's see. Um, but yeah, man. Um, just you're looking at the market, just being diligent, being patient, being diligent. It's important. It's really, I think, it's really, really important. Um, if you want to be great at the market, look at it live. Back testing is great, but um, but nothing can replicate like what we call front testing. And front testing is like doing it while the market is open. So nothing can replace that. Um, and it's really just the emotional part. Learning how to keep your emotions in check, learning how to just deal with your emotions as you look at a trade, dealing with wins, dealing with losses. Um, and then usually try to stay neutral on all thoughts. Try to stay neutral all around. But I mean, we're only human, so you're bound by your emotion, um, and how you react to it, how you handle it. But Back testing can't really replicate. Ooh, back testing can't really replicate the emotional part. It can really replicate pretty much everything else as far as the setup that you take in. What else? I mean, but it can't really replicate. Now I'm gonna watch this. I'm not gonna take this trade, but I want to watch this. I want to see how this reacts in the risk off environment. I mean, the risk on environment, because Mondelez pushed down. Mondelez pushed down in a risk on environment because Mondelez is a risk off asset. NEM is a risk off asset, and today is risk on. So as far as like picking up little things, I just really want to watch this and see like, okay, if that happened with this stock that I was trying to trade, let's see if it happens with this one, right? See if we hold, see if we push below. So the theory would be since we push down on this one, we would push down on this one as well. That would be the theory, technically. Now T-Mobile, we're still in the uptrend. I mean, we're still in the uptrend on NEM, but this is a more defensive type of asset. T-Mobile is one of those assets, especially like that. They got a partnership with SpaceX and all that. So they are Citi and JP Morgan see laggers as winners. Yeah. There is one I want to put for so bad, so bad, so bad. But I'm not. I'm not so bad. But I'm just. Okay. I'm not gonna put it up there, but um, um, Tesla board. Supposedly they're working on a new pay package for Elon. Sorry, sorry. Um, it's man, it's a lot of companies, man. Um, I wonder. I'm really interested to see how Bitcoin is going to trade though, because tech like okay, it trades like a tech stock, but it's also like a hedge against inflation, which is technically a technically that's like gold technically. So man, we about to open up in 3 minutes. So hey, I keep seeing these Robinhood commercials. I keep seeing them. Hmm. 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 Um, but yeah, yep. Um, what is it? To at least, but I know you have a reason for it. So that's true. Uh, man, for sure, man. I got y'all. I got y'all, man. Um, yeah, for sure. I think it definitely is definitely beneficial. That's why I want to do it because I think, man, people get a misconception. That's why I be trying to say trading is really not what you should be focusing on technically, because it's all probability. It's all probability. It's really the you have your setup, your strategy. You should have multiple, but I mean, try patterns is one that I like. So, um, I mean, you guys have seen me take the L's, but I mean, it's all within me executing the strategy and the plan of the strategy. Most of your money should be in leaps and long term investing. You're gonna make a lot of money from long term investing. You're gonna make a lot of money from leaps because leaps is like long term investing on steroids. So that's a lot easier than because when you're trading, you gotta think. I'm trading on it like a intra, like on a really weekly basis. Even though I'm on a 2 hour, I'm trying to hold it for really. I should hit my target in 1 to 7 days, right? So let's just say the time period is like a week. Um, it's just a shorter time frame versus looking on a weekly chart, a daily chart, zooming out, and getting a trade for the long term that you can hold for a few months, like something that you can hold for 3 months. Um, so yeah, but man, I appreciate you guys for joining. I think you guys don't know, man. Literally, you guys just I would say just literally just the okay. But literally you guys just tapping in, paying attention. Um you know, I would say I think lift might actually break out to the upside. And look, that's what it's looking to do. That's what it should do, I would say. Because you got this nice strong bullish candle here. And when I say trader's intuition is real, so like I didn't take this trade. I just if I don't like it, I'm not gonna take it. If I don't like it, I'm not gonna take it. And then like the environment, I think the environment is too bullish for it to have like considerable push down. Content training what I'm gonna get out of my experience. I gotta wait this way after that. Great job. Great job. Sometimes a part of uh come on, God. What is going on? I'm trying to get through it. Gosh, finally. But you I would say, a big part of investing is really just and you know what, man, I respect you for that. I respect you for that. I think you'll learn. So the biggest thing I try to emphasize um, with our team is just having a system. It's a reason for there's a reason for everything. There's a reason for everything. So like just because we make money, if we made money and it was outside of our system, I can't even like I it does me no good. Reason being, you got to think if all these companies want data on us, wouldn't it be important for us to have data on ourselves? So if we're trading and we're investing and we're making money, right? But we don't know why, we can't quantify it, we can't put it in math and say, hey, I made money. Um, Mostly I lost most of my trades on a Tuesday, I lost most of my trades on a Thursday. Um, it's not gonna be beneficial for us. Or if we're just swinging at the wall, you can get. I mean, there's a big thing when it as far as luck when it comes to market. I'm not even gonna lie. Luck is definitely part of it, but most of it is just consistency and having a good strategy, having a good plan, having something that works. So if it doesn't work and we don't know why it doesn't like why it's working or why something happened, um, long term it won't be beneficial for us. So, I mean, we can say, we can think um from an aspect and say, like it would be amazing to make. Let's say we took a trade, right, and made I don't know what 10,000, 20,000. That would be amazing, right? But if I don't know why I did that, just think on a long term perspective, it would actually do us more harm than good. It would probably do us more harm than good because we're gonna be confident in something that we don't know even works. Things along that line. So, um, but that's good, man. That's good. That's amazing. Man, hold it, 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 hold it. Uh, nah, man. Um, man, what's today? Wednesday. Later on in the day. Yeah. But yeah, so see how I mean we might hit this 400 and try to push up, but see how so everything is all it's all about you wanna learn. You wanna learn from mistakes. You wanna learn from the trades, right? So I took a trade on Mondelez yesterday, right? Risk off. So the market today is risk on, meaning a lot of tech assets, a lot of maybe consumer discretionary companies are um, probably going to push up today. And then all of the companies that are deemed safer might come down a little bit. So that's like your waste management, Walmart, maybe companies of that nature are probably going to come down. Reason being, uh, when the market is just running like this, a lot of people have more faith in the market. So a lot of people are willing to put their capital into riskier assets. So I told you how the institutions they just so for us, we should be well in Apex, you guys know, but we should be taking advantage of those opportunities that are given to us. But yeah, so not making the same mistake twice or just learning quickly, I think is also a good thing. So it's like this would be technically be the same exact trade as this. It's the same type of trade. It's a risk off asset. Um, and you see what's slicing through this level, just like we did on Mondelez. So that's really why I just wanted to watch this, man, and see, really just watch it and see if I was gonna get the same outcome as this. And so far, um, that's what we're having. And honestly, man, we should really just bounce from the level and start pushing up. And that's really when I know it'll be a good trade. Um, we haven't bounced, so man, hustlers don't stop; they keep going. Now, I when I was a kid, I used to say horses. Horses don't stop. But man, it's this one company I'm looking at. I'm waiting patient. I'm waiting patiently for a guide candle. It's something I call a guide candle. A guide candle is when that candle just, yeah, I'm talking about the candle. The candle is gonna shoot off the screen. That's what I'm looking on. That's what I wait on. Yep. 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 But man, man, we shall see. We shall see. But if I look at let's see. Um, U.S. smartphone shipments rose 30% in March due to tariffs concerns, reports there. So everybody went and bought these iPhones because of tariffs. Uh, is that? I mean, was that it? I mean, can you consider that a tactic um to artificially push up the company? Oh, Apple! Oh my God! Microsoft is number one and Nvidia is number two. Apple, you sliding down that list, my boy. Apple, you sliding down that list, my boy. Microsoft is finally getting their shine. Everybody love Apple. I like Apple. I don't dislike Apple. But boy, boy, boy. Nah, man. Um, I mm, 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 mm. And I will also say, if you have not bought Bitcoin, I would buy it. I would buy it. I would buy it. Even though it's at 103,000, I would buy it. I would. Super micro is up. Why in the world? Okay, this. Okay, let me go look. Let me look at something. Cause man, I'm going long one asset, short the other. I'm confused. I'm confused. But um, Nvidia is up. Arm is Arm. I think Arm is up. Uh, Wayne, Wayne, um, but yeah. So this was very important. I think this was very important. Very important to watch this. Um, well, if I mean it might push down, but you have a lot of the market is bullish today. It's too late to jump from 2026. I mean, you definitely gotta wait. I definitely would not do it now because you don't know when that momentum is going to stop. You know what I mean? And I think like the way it's been moving, pretty soon it should stop, but and pull back a little bit. But um, Man, um, what was I about to say? I would say just, be patient and wait for the next one to come. It's plenty of other assets, plenty of other ones that will come. Uh, I would definitely say, just try to practice patience, discipline. So I would say, I mean, we've been in it since what, 50? It says 65. So like if I'm just kind of looking at the difference, the price differential, that's already a move of 30% in the asset. So no, it's a big difference. It's a big difference. But I mean, if you hold it out to 2026, I mean, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. If you hold it out to 2026, you might have some drawdown for sure. But I mean, if you hold it to 2026, you'll be good. You'll be good. You'll be fine. Good question though. Tesla is the highest stock by dollar value. Nvidia is second, then Palantir, and then Apple is fourth. Um, Coin made it on the list. Coinbase made it on the list. So that's good. If I look at, we didn't have anything today as far as economics or anything like that. So, um, you know, um, I'm waiting for a God handle. That's what I'm waiting on. Retire me. Come on, retire me. Retire. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But for real though. For real though. For real though. And like now, okay, so you're seeing some of the stocks lose steam a bit. Um, Amazon is down. Uh, I mean it's down just a little bit. So, but I'm just referring to like assets losing steam. Hims is down. Um, I mean Palantir is still up, but Bitcoin is flat. Yeah, and what's today? Today is Wednesday. So I mean, not a lot of. I don't think there's a lot of capital being put into the market on a Wednesday, but um, But I think the close will be important. So tomorrow we definitely gonna have a move. Um, we are definitely going to have a move tomorrow. So because we have initial jobless claims, retail sales, core PPI, PPI over a year. We got a lot of stuff tomorrow that's gonna move the market. And if that data comes in good, oh, we gonna keep going. We gonna keep going higher because that means the market is gonna feel like the market is essentially gonna be like, okay, tariffs is no longer really a factor. We had good economic data. So, I mean, tariffs are going to be inflationary no matter what. I mean, like, no matter what, whether it's a lot or a little. Um, that's dependent on the deal and negotiations. But um, it's very, 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 very that will basically be the next catalyst that will move the market. So, but yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Uh, and I will say for me to give you guys a little bit of game. So for me, when it comes to the market, I think not making the same mistake multiple times is beneficial. I think there's not like I know we get caught up in like the indicators and the chart and all that stuff. Not making the same mistake multiple times because a lot of times we'll make a mistake and it's a variation of a past mistake. Um, so I think that's important, man. I think that's really, really important. I think they would help. But yeah, like for me, one of my things, and I mean, you're always trying to do better, right? One of my things that I've been working on, holding trades for longer. So I'm good. I'm really good at cutting my losses short, but letting those winners run, man. Really letting those winners run, letting them play out, letting them go. Just let them do what they do. Just letting them do what they do. Um, that's something that I'm definitely working on. So, um, who's gonna be the 50th president? How many years is that? We at 57, so that has to be 4, 8, 12 years. How old would I be? I'll be 32. Would I be old enough? How old you got to be to run for president? What is it? 35? Is it 35? Somebody let me know. Somebody let me know. Are we gonna ask ChatGPT? Ask ChatGPT. Let's see. Uh, all right, let's see. So, okay, it's three constitutional qualifications, right? So you have to live in the United States for 14 years. Check, check. You have to be a natural born U.S. citizen. Okay, check. And you gotta be 35. So I couldn't be the 50th, but the 51st I could. I mean, that's a pretty like not uh that's a pretty like a what's the word? Dull, vague list, vague list, vague list to be president, vague list. All right, so on April 4th, Jim Cramer he warned of a 1987 Black Monday style market crash. Since that comment just over a month ago, the S&P is 500 is up over 16%. If you sold on April 4th, you missed out some of the greatest 1 month gains ever. And here are some returns from individual stocks since April 4th. Amazon is up 24%, Meta is up 30%, Palantir is up 76%, Tesla is up 36%, Hims is up 142%, Nvidia is up 38%. AMD is up 31%. Netflix is up 33%. And Microsoft is up 24%. So, but then they tell you all the hedge funds was investing in Europe and China and all that. Sign, man. Sign. Hey, Trump introduced Elon to the Saudi Arabian prince. What you mean Tesla nothing? Man, he finna get them, he finna get them Teslas. Man, look. Man, I'm waiting on this guy candle, man. Like, where we at? Maybe later in the day, but really tomorrow. Really tomorrow. Really tomorrow. But the U.S. and Qatar signed a defense agreement. So that tells you that Palantir is going to keep going up. Maybe Raytheon Technologies. But I mean, focus on the one that's actually good, like the best, and that's Palantir. So Palantir is going to continue to go up. So that means Qatar, Saudi Arabia, going to be using their technologies. Um, so, so mm, yeah, yeah, man. It was like, but I mean, if we do get bad data tomorrow, then that's when you'll see some of the risk on assets come down. So, like Lyft will come down. Um, hit a Boeing order. Why are y'all trying to continuously save Boeing, man? I mean, I get it. I guess I think Boeing is probably one of the most American muscle companies that we have left. Like one of those companies that people just like, you work there for 40 years. I mean, you're gonna have an amazing 401k. It's amazing on your resume. Like to work at Boeing is great. But Starlink and SpaceX is just better. It's just better, man. It's just better. We gotta start funding the companies that's actually pushing our country up. But we gotta start funding the companies that's you know, I think that would be wise for us to do. Like we trying to save Intel. For what? For what? When can we buy Starlink and SpaceX? So when they go public, when they go public, um, and they might go public in 2025. Uh, I would say if I had to guess, um, maybe 27. It's definitely going to be during the presidency. While Trump is in office, Elon, he's going to have to get all his companies public while Trump is in office. So I would say 27. And Andrew will be the hookup. Yeah, I mean, if you use Robinhood, they let you invest in the pre-IPO, but wait till Sunday. Just wait till Sunday. We gonna talk about it. We gonna talk about it. But I mean, it's a lot of there. I mean, Andrew is gonna be good. SpaceX is gonna and then too, SpaceX has zero competition, man. Like Elon has like four companies that are in the driver's seat. Tesla, driver's seat of the EV space. SpaceX, driver's seat of like of that sector. NASA is not competing. They had to use SpaceX. I don't like Robin Hood. It's Papa Sunday. It is. It is. Um, but yeah, um, yeah, yeah. Just wait till Sunday. I'll go over it, but hopefully the IPO market opens up. Yeah. So we can see some newer companies. Um, some newer companies perform. I'm ready to see some newer companies. I'm ready to see. And we haven't really had a big IPO. I'm talking about like 5 to 10 IPOs where we have a considerable amount of companies that's going public. But yeah, man. Well, Bitcoin is down. I mean, Nvidia is still up, so that's good. Microsoft is up. Tesla is up. Palantir is up. Mm, yeah. It'd be crazy. One thing I will say, it's crazy how all the patterns and stuff you see, all that stuff is like transferable on a smaller and a higher time frame. So whether it's the 10-minute or the week, you got like you got patterns there. So, but, um, May 1st. Mm, mm. Um, China suspends export controls over 28 entities. Hold on. Hold on. See if we got one. Let's see if we got one. Okay. Okay, let's see. What? 4 billion. Mm-mm. I mean, everybody trying to copy Robinhood, man. So, yeah, so. What day was the start of this week? The 12th? Yeah, the 12th. Hmm. IPO market seem to at least be trying to come back a little bit. Hopefully by the end of the year, we'll get to see some companies now. Hopefully by the end of the year, like back half. So like maybe like I don't know November. November would be an amazing month to go public, or like the bottom of August or September. Or uh, but yeah. But I'm about to hop off stream, man. I appreciate you guys so much, like always. Um, I letting you guys know again, this will be my last week streaming, man. I'm gonna give you guys the chart setups. Well, if you are in Apex, I'm always give you guys like all the chart setups. But if you are, if you show up to Alpha Investment, I will give you guys one trade per week on there, so we can just focus on execution. It's literally all I'm doing is sitting and waiting and being patient for the setups to come, and then I'm taking them. But yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow, man. Same time, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. Central Time. We're doing this till 9:30 a.m. Central Time. So we will see, man. But the shout out to my Apex family, man. Shout out to everybody in Apex, man. But I will see you guys tomorrow, man. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing Wednesday. Let's finish out the week strong. Push through. And let's keep working.